YouTube, we finna react to Fanum does a cereal mukbang. Let's get right into the video.
Alright, so, well, chat, so we're gonna try a lot of classics today and a couple different ones, you know what I'm saying? Every time I pour it in my belt or my bowl, you know what I'm saying? If you think it's a good cereal, just spam W. If you think it's an cereal, you're gonna spam L. Does everybody understand the rules tonight? Does everybody understand the rules tonight, chat? Does anybody know where almond milk comes from? Almond cow. You stupid. Chat, which one should I do first? Which one should I do first? Okay, they saying Lucky Charms underrated. All right, remember, once I pour into the bowl, you spam W or L, bro. Okay, we got Lucky Charms right here, one of the classics. Undefeated champions. You know what I'm saying? This is the make your poo-poo green. Okay, let's keep it down, be real. This makes you know what I'm saying? Your green. Oh, this is a different type of Lucky Charms. Now, this Lucky Charms s'mores, though. This Lucky Charms, I ain't never seen this one. Nah, I feel like we doing exotic snacks. I never seen this one.
He got the Lucky Charms, the regular ones. He got the Captain Crunch, Cocoa Puffs, Oreos, Kit Kat. Okay. Hey, all them over here on the left. Plus.
No. Hold on. Oh no, this the classic. Nah, hold on. Let's try. I already opened this one, so let's do this one first.
I ain't never tried the Oreos.
Okay. This is what we doing right now.
Cereal, Oreos,
I'm about to pour in the bowl, chat. I'm about to pour it in the bowl. I know the drill. Spam W is W, spam L is L. I think I like cinnamon toast crunch inside of it. What the All right. They saying L. I'm about to tell you right now if it's an L, if it's a W. I ain't gonna lie. Wavy. W pour. W pour.
Check out how this app helped me buy.
I'm farming a thumbnail. Hold your thoughts. Everybody hold your thoughts. Hold on. I think they did it with this one. Hold on. Hold on, one more. Fire. Fire. Bro, out of 10, eight and a half? No, eight. It's good. Chat. Bros, no way you listen. It's good. I'm not gonna get it. I like this.
Is that some damn Kit Kat cereal?
Nah, it's good. Alright. Moving on to the next one. Nah, that shit tastes good. Alright. What should I pick next? What should I pick next, chap? Which one next? Which one next?
You try them Oreos.
Oreos. Alright, we got the Oreos. We got the Oreo O cereal made with real Oreo cookie wafers.
That's just my head. Try them
Let's go ahead and see what's going on with this one. I know the drill. Once I pour it in the bowl, you spam W or L if you feel like it's a W or if you feel like it's an L. Okay. I'm about to have mad leftover cereal. I'm about to have so much leftover cereal. It's about to hit disrespectful. Alright, chat. Going in. First thing you gotta season it. You gotta move it around. You know what I'm saying? You gotta season the cereal. You gotta season the cereal. You know what I'm saying?
Gotta let
Put a
the-
cereal
no.
when it's dry, it'll cut your mouth up. So you gotta season it up a little bit.
Get that milk in there. How that taste? Is it buzzing? It's
One
buzzing.
more bite for safety.
Nah, it's buzzing.
Can I
Think it
ask
took
you
like 3
something
bites.
I've been wanting to ask you, Brody?
What? Mid. Chat mid.
Bro, you
It
feel
just
like-
wasn't there. It felt like Cocoa Puffs. But like, not Cocoa Puffs. 5 out of 10, chat.
Okay.
Maybe 4 out of 10. I ain't gonna lie.
Damn.
I wouldn't buy them. I wouldn't buy them, chat. Alright, chat. What's next, chat? What's next? What's next, chat? Crumble? Crumble? Hey, what was the L? That was the L. I ain't gonna lie. Crumble? Try that nasty ass crumble. This nasty? Oh, I never had that.
Crumble.
Damn,
Crumble.
son.
Hey,
Okay.
Happy, you really just said, you got to make it wet before putting it in your mouth? No diddy fam AO pause.
I ain't thinking it like that. Alright, we got the crumble cereal chocolatey chip cookies. Okay, chocolatey chip cookies.
W 42 months.
Alright, let's try it. Damn, how many months? Yo, Cassie. You know what? Yo, chat. 43 months. It's not even 42. 43 months. You've been reselling for 22. Chat, how many months is 43 months? God, that's like 3 years. Damn. That's like almost 4. Nah, you locked in.
When I first ever started watching you from the Bronx, it was this girl that used to be in your BMW Y'all videos was fire. What happened to Y'all?
Cake? Cake still game. Talking about cake? Miss Links. Oh my God. The smell. The smell is potent. Yo, it's too much for me. Oh my God. Yo. It's like a lot, bro. Damn. It's a lot, bro. I'm not gonna lie, it's a lot. Hold on. All right, let's get the milk.
Damn, son.
It don't even look like little chocolate chips. It look like little, I don't know what it look like kitty litter. All right. You going in for a bite? Disappointed. Disappointed. I don't like it. I don't like it, bro.
They look like they nasty.
It's like I feel like in my head, I'm expecting Chips Ahoy and milk, basically, in my head. Or you know, chocolate chips, you know what I'm saying? It's just not, you don't feel it.
Damn, son.
I big 25 months.
Nah. One more for safety though. Nah. 5 out of 10.
Yeah, I'm
Fanum Truth
tired.
1, Fanum Truth
5 out of 10.
1, Fanum Truth 1.
5 out of 10. 5 out of 10. Alright, what's next? What's next? What's next? What's next? Big 31 months from Risk Takers. 31 months is 31 months. 25 months. I got some hitters in here. Before I go bully with the big 25 months.
Damn, son.
Got some hitters in here. We got Lalo with his first time subbing up. Welcome to the fucking troop, Lalo. You know what I'm saying? Frosted Flakes. Where do y'all see Frosted Flakes at?
On the right, on the right, on the right.
Why you are?
Oh. Wait, but this is different. It's a strawberry milkshake Frosted Flakes. This is not regular Frosted Flakes.
You.
Strawberry milkshake. I've never seen this. I've never seen this. Denby with the big 19 months. Juman Gmo with a big prime sub.
Fanum troop, Fanum troop.
Meadow with a big 30 months too. I see you, my boy. Fly Raven with a big 14
Damn,
months.
son.
Okay. That I good. That I good, chat. Strawberry Frosted Flakes, chat. Spam W or L in the chat. No need for a poll. No need for a poll. Let them spam in the chat. Let them spam in the chat. No need for a poll.
Damn, son.
Smells good. Smells like strawberry milk. You ever had
Transform your new
life? That shit. I ain't gonna lie, strawberry milk be top tier. Do that shit come from pink
Damn,
cows?
son.
Big fleet.
I know chocolate milk come from chocolate cows. But strawberry milk come from pink cows.
Damn, son.
Alright.
Damn, son.
WANUMMMMM.
Damn, son. Damn, son.
Been buzzed on it.
A little different.
They buzzed up, right?
Mm-hmm.
Damn, son.
Is you my uncle?
Mm.
Dude, they buzzed though. They buzzed.
K1, Monet. Everybody spam Monet. Everybody spam Monet. Big Five.
Damn, son.
Always eating.
What? Chat. 6.5 out of 10.
Damn, son.
Oh shit, I gotta mix them now.
Damn, son. Damn, son.
Whole lot of truth shit. Love you chat and Fanum hearts.
Then my heart. Yo, 6.5 out of 10, chat. I'm sorry. No, I gotta put it over there because I need another bowl. I don't have no bowls.
Damn, son.
Chat, what's next?
LUVVVVV.
That one, 6.5 out of 10. It had potential. But it just wasn't.
Trying
You
to
saying?
Kit Kats. That
Damn,
Kit
son.
Kat.
You know what I'm saying?
QPEX Cabron Saludos y Bendiciones Big 23.
What's next? Fanum, what the fuck are you doing?
See what the
Hey,
Kit
listen, man,
Kats
we gotta
come
get to the
up.
bottom. Kit Kat? Everybody pay me Kit Kat. Alright. Kit Kat, Kit Kat. We gotta see Kit Kat at.
What the fuck?
Boom, Kit Kat. Alright, we got Kit Kat have a cereal break chocolatazo. Date un break de cereal crispy crujiente. This shit is bilingual. We have a bilingual cereal. Date un break.
Hi Fanum, I got revenge on my girl for shaming me when I finished too fast in bed, so I went down on her and hit her with the clockwise counterclockwise tornado tongue twister 9000.
Damn, son.
She climaxed in less than 3 minutes, so now
Alright. Okay. This looks like dog kibble. I like dog food, chat. I like dog food. Okay. Wow. kind of smell like dog food too. In like a weird, in like a sugary way. Okay, let me get some milk. Okay. Alright.
Damn, son.
Gotta season it, got it.
K-N-N-U-M.
Big fan. Gotta season it, gotta season it. Shout out to Fight for the 20 lunch.
Damn, son.
Got tired of the ads FR.
That might be the worst one.
Damn, son.
No bullshit. That might be the worst one, bro. Ah. Oh my god, it was saying mad hard. Oh my god.
Damn, son.
One out of 10.
Damn, son.
Ow. 1 out of 10. 1 out of 10. I'm saving y'all money, man. 1 out of 10.
Hold on. Before you pay for yet another app to manage your team, let me introduce you to Connect Team, the one.
Oh, that Kit Kat. That Kit
Crazy.
Kat.
That was
Kit
crazy.
Kat
That
not
was
hit.
nuts. All right, let me clear some bowls, chat. Let me clear some bowls. Man, did we go to the same grocery store? I went out to get some cereal and they were all sold out. The fuck is this? All right, next. All right. What's next? Nah. Top tier cereal, bro. Regular Frosted Flakes. Chop some bananas in there, or the Kellogg Flakes. Slice some bananas in there. Ooh, different kind of breakfast. Different. Fruit Loops. Okay, wait, I see Fruit Loops. These Fruit Scoops, or do you mean? Which one are you seeing? Which one are you seeing? Which one are you seeing? What the fuck are Fruit Scoops? We about to find out. I don't know what the fuck. I've never seen it. It says, yo, listen, Rainbow Sherbet Scoops, artificially flavored, cools your mouth. Hey, yo. Look, it cools your mouth, y'all. It cools your. We about to find out. We about to find out. I don't know. Is it minty? Like, what do they mean by it? Is this shit minty? Oh, I smell minty. Yo, it smells like a Home Depot aisle. Yo, word too, it smells like a Home Depot aisle. You ever been to Home Depot? Got like a certain smell, it smells like Home Depot. I swear to God, it smells like Home Depot.
Who weighs
What the
more,
fuck?
you or Rod weighs?
Who weighs more, me or Rod Wave? Rod Wave, because Rod Wave bigger than me. Alright, let's see. Alright. Gotta season it. These are Fruit Scoops.
You look like them nasty.
The texture is like mushy, bro. It's like mushy. Ah. It's like mushy, bro. Holy shit. I say, yo. Oh my God. 2 or 3 out of 10, chat. Chat, 2 or 3 out of 10. Ay. That shit gave me a headache right there. I'm not gonna lie. Ugh. Alright, what's next? Fuck, bro. Oh my God. It's solid too. What's next? What's next? Cinnamon Toast Crunch? What the fuck is it? This should say Apple Pie Toast Crunch.
I ain't
Some
never
of them
seen
is
that
classic,
before.
others is like exotic.
What the fuck is apple?
Apple.
Toast Crunch.
Oh no, wait, cinnamon toast right here. Okay. Cinnamon
I
toast,
never
cinnamon
seen
toast
no
crunch,
apple pie
classic,
toast crunch.
classic. Okay, let's do it. Let's see.
I come for you later.
What? Diabetes? You gonna come for me later? Shut up. I don't eat like this all the time. I only eat like this sometimes. That nigga diabetes donated to the stream.
You won the best scene watching for a minute. Started playing GTA RP cause of you, and yesterday when we had that scene of you and Yari shooting out the car, she was funny and lit. I was the driver. Much love
Damn,
though.
son.
Oh, that was you? Yo, Big 72. Appreciate you, Jay-Z. Appreciate you, bro. Instead of you dropping big donos, bro, you could drop big gifties. You know what I'm saying? Feed the truth, my nigga. No bullshit. Feed
Dude,
the
how
members.
far does your hairline go back?
My hairline is not, I don't have good hairline. All right, check.
This may be the
What the?
Shit just brought me back to my childhood, fam. No bullshit. You know the scene in Ratatouille? When the critic is in the restaurant and he eats the ravioli, I mean the Ratatouille shit, whatever. And he goes again. Not my favorite, but really good though.
Damn, son.
I give it a 9. 9. Maybe 9.5. Not gonna lie. 9.5. Alright, chat, what's next? Apple toast right after? Okay, cool.
Yo, Fanum, how many times a day do you eat?
This is my second time eating today. Apple toast crunch. Alright. Nah, I ain't gonna lie, it's 9. 9.
Apple
this
pie
is apple
toast
toast
crunch.
now.
Yeah, I'm
Vinny,
tired.
are you downstairs? You might do this to the crib. Oh bullshit. Okay. Apple toast crunch. It's apple toast crunch, chat. Oh, you can smell the apple. You can smell the apple. You can smell the apple. You can smell the apple.
What that taste like? What that be like? What that be like?
Damn, son. Damn, son.
Yeah, big Waynham IFW from over the pond UK shit. Run up some scary games with the bros, that's what we tryna see my heart.
I bet. 6 out of 10. Jay-Z! Everybody's name Jay-Z. Jay-Z! Yo, chat, 6 out of 10. Apple toast, cinnamon crunch. 6 out of 10. Okay. Okay, what's next? We got Fiber One cereal. I might not even eat this shit. I ain't gonna lie. We got Captain Crunch. We got Cocoa Puffs. We got classic Lucky Charms. And we got apple strawberry Cheerios. Which one? Which one, chat? Niggas saying Captain Crunch. My son sent me some eats. He's my oldest son. First of all. Captain Crunch. Captain Crunch, chat. Let's go for the Captain Crunch. But isn't Captain Crunch supposed to have like colors? Oh my god, I might have one of those moments that I think that does it not have colors?
It's two different. It's two different ones.
Am I tripping? No.
He
Bro,
talking
I
about
could have
the,
swore this shit had colors and shit, bro.
he talking about like the mixing.
No. What, bro? Bro, this shit feel like it's not Captain Crunch, bro.
It's Captain
Nigga feel like
Crunch.
Lieutenant, bro. Like, you know what I'm
The
saying?
notorious Fig Newton.
Bro, don't start. The berries is not the original. I thought this was the. I thought that was the. What? I'm about to try this. I'm about to try this right now. Captain Crunch.
Fanum,
bitch
do you
is
keep your
hit.
shirt on when you fuck?
Sometimes. Depending how fast I'm going.
The bitch is hit, right? Bitch is hit. Somebody said 10 out of 10.
W. Everybody spam W.
Damn, son.
They do have one with colors. It's Oops All Berries CAPN Crunch.
This is an 8.
Captain Lunch.
Damn, son.
Benjam 194 Shake.
8 out of 10. Alright. Okay. I ain't doing this bullshit. I don't want nothing. I don't want that. I'm only doing these two. Classic. I want to do this one too? And this one? What y'all want to do? What you want to do? Who bought the fiber one? I don't know. When I catch you, oh, do the veggie dance.
Damn, son.
Yeah. All right, we're going for the classic. Classic fiber right now. Oh my god, bro.
Damn, son.
Y'all know I'm not.
26 months MMG.
And then they came in a toy.
What the fuck?
What the fuck is that?
Damn, son.
I got European sizes. Yo. Nah, what? What, bro?
Damn, son.
Shit smell like third period. I ain't gonna lie.
Damn, son.
Big
Smell-
17 months Fanum Fanum White
It
Fleece.
smell like school.
School is crazy. It smell like school.
It didn't even look fun to eat.
Bro, what? Look how he. Spit that out. He tight. Y'all better eat that shit, bro.
It's ass. I hate this. I hate this. Oh my God. I hate this shit, bro. It's hard to swallow. No diddy. 0 out of 10. 0 out of 10. Maybe when I'm 45, I'll eat this, but right now, I'm not eating this shit. Terrible. Terrible. Alright, classic Lucky Charm. You know what I might give this shit. That shit drove my now my voice dry as hell, nigga.
Let Duke give you a Duke Dennis hug twin.
Duke hug? What's that? You wanna Duke hug? Oh shit. Yo, Bree, everybody's banned Bree. Bree with the big 5. Bree with the big 5. Oh my God. This tastes like after school.
Yeah.
Oh, yes. Cereal so good, I lay back. It's the one. It's your home. Nine. Chat 9. Let's go. Go, Bucks. Chat. We down to 2 left. Go, Bucks. What do y'all predict? What do y'all predict for this?
They're finna hit.
Yeah, I think I'm gonna rate it.
9 out of 10.
Where am I gonna rate it? I'm fucked up. I'm a Hellcat, chat. Look, I'm a Hellcat.
They talking about Ayo.
Bree. Bree. 7.5. I don't know why. Alright, chat. Last but not least, some Cheerios.
Captain Morgan Freeman spiced rum.
I'm doing no milk though.
I
Cause you know,
guess
cereal's supposed to be good even without the milk.
it do. It be best
Cereal's
without
supposed to be
the-
like, yo, you need something real quick? Just dig in. I'm saying? Just dig in.
That bitch is buzzing.
Hold on.
That bitch is hitting.
Whoa. Let me try with milk. Hold on, let me try with milk. Oh shit. This is a veggie blends.
That bitch is hitting.
No, word to my mother. Hold on. Wow. Wait.
Damn, son.
Yo. Not gonna lie. Nine.
Oh, them bitches
Nine.
hitting.
Chat, 9. Word to my mother. Nah. I'm surprised your dad say veggie on it too.
Gracie's
Haha.
Gracie's corner. Now do the veggie dance. Yum yum.
Let me know what y'all want me to write to next. That's it for this video, and like I always say, we out.